In this short guide, I will show how to buy shares of Planet Labs PBC, the Earth imaging company that operates a fleet of small satellites. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker plural. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PL to locate Planet Labs PBC. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the correct company name. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, ticker PL, and the NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to spend or the number of shares, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading resumes, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For the example used in this video, check the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.